Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can create bulk quiz videos using Canva and AI. So first up here, open your Canva, then go to video section, select this create blank. Now you'll be taken into this page. Now here, as you can see on the design at the top left, you'll find all the templates. For example, if you type quiz, then you will find all the quiz templates in order to create a quiz videos using Canva. So you just need to select any of the templates here. But in this sample, I'm going to create from scratch. So I'm going to create from here. As you can see, I'm going to first add an image or background. So here I'm going to select the background color. So for example, I'm going to select this color here. Next, what we're going to do, we can now add some elements like shape. So go to shapes right here, and we're going to select, for example, you can use this shape or like this one, this square shape with a curved corner. And here we can just resize it, drag on the corner like this. And then we can just adjust. You can just drag it and adjust and reposition here. And then you can basically add the circle. So I'm going to resize this and change the color. For example, here, or if you want this red color or this blue, so I think it's better if I'm going to choose this one, and then select this and then duplicate. So I'm going to create four shapes right here, and then another one, duplicate, and I'm going to put right over here. So make sure that your alignment is correct. Then the last one over here, right? And then what we're going to do now is we need to create the questions and some answer. So we just need to create a new tab here and search for gemini.google.com. So basically, we're going to use an AI to basically create us a quiz. So just need to click this more button right here at the bottom right, and then click I agree. Then you just check this one and click continue. So here, for example, I want to create a bulk quiz. So basically, I'm going to enter a prompt. For example, make a quiz about, then enter the topic, for example, about animals. And then here you can specifically enter like 10 questions with 4 choices or 4 suggestions. And then make all of them a table. And make the answer in the last column. So once done, press enter on your keyboard. Then you just have to wait here. So as you can see, it generates the prompt. Now, what we're going to do here is just click on this export to sheets, and it will automatically create a spreadsheet. So here, just need to wait and open the sheets. As you can see here, it's automatically apply here on Google Sheets. So we have the quiz right over here. So what we're going to do next is basically copy the first question here. So Control C on your keyboard. And then we can just paste it here, Control V, or we can basically click on the add text button, add a heading, and then Control V. So as you can see, this is the first question that we're going to use. And then you can resize it according to your preference. And here, for example, so you can adjust the corner or maybe the sides right here. and resize this one and then drag it. All right. Now, once you've done, change the font style. So here we have a bunch of selection that you can choose in order to create a question. For example, this style here, and then we can change the font color into light color white. So I think we can change the color here, for example. So I'm going to go back to that white color because it's going to be visible. And then what we're going to do, we can now write down here the choices. So the choice one is the lion. So basically we can just add text. So first up, we can create the letter of choice. So it's basically the A, and then change the font style, add text, write down here the first choice or first suggestion, and then change again the font style. So it depends on your preference here, but in this case, I'm going to use the same font style as you can see. And then the font color will be like this, and we can change the font color here. There you go. Then you can basically adjust the size if you want. Right here, and also this one here. Right? Then if you want to easily add to other options, then you can just use the duplicate option. So once you copy this choice 2, go back here, then duplicate. Right, then select here and then click duplicate, and then put here on the letter B. So I'm going to put right over here and then paste it here, duplicate, and this one is the letter C, for example. And then here going to the third one, so duplicate to create the choice number 3. So again, duplicate, and then put it right over here at the circle and change to letter C. Then also the choice here, duplicate, and we're going to copy the third choice and going back to the Google spreadsheet, and this will be like elephant. All right, and then duplicate this, and the last one here, giraffe. All right, so copy this one, Control C, Control V to paste, and then duplicate this to create letter D. Okay, so as you can see, we have just created a question, and then the choices here from choices A to choices D. Right, so we're going to add a page right here. And then we can write down here the correct answer. So basically, I'm going to write down. So this is the answer. So we're going to write correct answer. Okay, so I'm going to capitalize this one. Okay, and then change the font and the font color. There you go. Then we can readjust or just drag the corner, and then you can add the correct answer here. You can add the shape. So this time, for example, if you're going to add a shape right here, so and then you can just enter the correct answer right over here. So you can type down lion. So this will be the correct answer, and we can basically change the font style like this, and then also the font size and the color. Right, so I'm going to change it into color white, and there you go. Now another way here to easily put the correct answer, you can just copy this group, or you can regroup this one and then Control C to copy, and then go back to this page, second page, and then delete this one first, and then Control V and readjust this size. Right, So that's how we basically add the correct answer here. Now the next step that we can do is adding an animation, right? So from here, you can basically select all and then click on the animate button at the top right. And you have here some selection if you want basic. So I want this one, and I'm going to use also this pop. So there you go. And then the next step that we can do here, we can now add a bulk quiz or bulk question here. So just click on the apps right here at the bottom left. So basically you just have to wait for a few seconds here. And then we can add an application. So go to the search box at the top and type your bulk. Right? And then once done, you just need to press enter in your keyboard and you will find this result. So basically you just need to select the first one, which is bulk create. So click this one. Then you will now be taken into this page or option. So as you can see here on the left side or left panel. And then what you're going to do here is basically just have to wait for a few seconds here. And then click on the enter data manually. So as you can see the data, just clear table. And then to add the data over here from Google spreadsheet, you just need to go back to Google Sheet and just have to copy this one here, right? From A1 up to this F11. So copy, Control C, or right click then copy, and then go back here, right click then paste, right? So once you paste it here, as you can see, click allow, and there you go. Now once done, click on done at the bottom right. Next, what we can do, we can connect the data. So select the question, click connect data. So click on this question here. Next, we can select the choice, some choices. So choice 1, and this will be the choice number 2. This will be the choice 3 and the choice 4. Then we can go to the answer page. Here we can change the correct answer. Right, so basically we can delete the letter here. So because it's not always letter A, so we can delete this one and then adjust this resize. I think we should group this one. So select this and just align it. So there you have it. Now once done here, click on continue button and click generate 10 designs. All right. So just have to wait for a few seconds here. And as you can see, it will open a new page where you can find all of the questions here. So you just need to click on the play button here to see and preview all of the changes that you have been made. So that's all. That's how you basically create these bulk quiz videos in Canva. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.